Here are essential tips for maintaining and adjusting to a complete denture. Regular checkups. Ensure a proper fit by visiting your dentist for routine adjustments to avoid discomfort and soreness. Practice speaking. To improve speech and clarity, read aloud regularly to help adapt to the feel of the dentures. Adhesive use. Only use denture adhesive when necessary for additional stability, avoiding overuse. Daily cleaning. Clean your dentures daily with a soft bristle brush and non-abrasive denture cleaner to maintain hygiene and prevent plaque buildup. Keep dentures moist. Dentures should be kept moist when not in use. Store them in water or a denture cleaning solution overnight to prevent warping or drying out. Adapt your diet. Start with soft foods like mashed potatoes, yogurt, or scrambled eggs. Gradually introduce firmer foods as you become more comfortable with chewing. By following these tips, you'll ensure better comfort, oral hygiene, and a smoother adjustment to wearing dentures. Visit your dentist regularly. This is a friendly reminder from Dr. Candy. Remember, prevention is better than cure and cheaper.